$1,200 bucks. 12 by 14. Oh yeah. This is what I like right here. This would be perfect for my studio. Winter's over. Little heater. Little tabletop fire pit. Big one. Where's the bottom to this? Nothing here. It just falls to the bottom. $10. Oh yeah, that's a good buy. 50 quarts. Not one, not two, not three, not four.
No, it's got to be a funeral, Randy, because they all have their lights, their blinking lights on.
Yeah. On 5, on 4, on the go with the DJI Osmo Action 4 and Cinco S2S, S2S, something like that. Let's get it going. Gotta go find my telephone holder, cradle, stick it to the bike. Yeah. My phone's in the back pocket. Problem is, it slides up and I'm gonna hear it go crash, just like that. We don't want that to happen. I haven't said in a while. I'll say it down in a few seconds. You let me know. No, it ain't. Hey, fish. Man, I got you on the handlebars this time. And one of the talks was, what would I buy for a motorcycle to make my ride a little easier? No, it ain't shoe time. I've been saying that for a while. Still trying to guess? Well, let me give you a little hint. I'll just get right to the point. Hello, fellow YouTubers and Google Plus followers. Thank you very much for joining me on this show. I've just been asked a question on a place, and I showed the proof, and I hope it's good enough so I can cash in. If not, I don't know what's going to happen or what I'm going to do with my Best Buy reward points. I've been thinking, I was in the car, and I'm saying to myself, how am I going to be holding a gimbal, turning it on and shooting video? Let me just go forward a little bit. Hang on. We'll get the story going. I gotta pass this sign, this fence, a little bump in the road. Try to show people that, hey, you know, we can ride on dirt, grass. Doing a good job with this. Going over little bumps. With the Moto Wolf U-bolt double clamp for any type of camera. And Insta360, that's what this was for. Did a good job, right? Here's another bump. Did you feel it? I got no shock absorbers. I just got air in the tires. It's on the handlebar. I don't want to get you dizzy by turning like that. I don't normally film like this. I normally film with the, you know, tripod in hand and ride. But when you're on a motorcycle, you can't do that. Put it on the chin, so no matter where you look, you get your shot, because you're always looking forward, you're looking down in the mirror. But I know you want your straight view shot. So maybe on the side of the motorcycle by the wheel, or maybe on the frame that doesn't turn. That's all up to you. Watch a motovlog video setup. We're here trying to help. Now let me just angle this down, adjust you a little, get you a little further away from me and all that good stuff so I can get a good shot, right? Maybe a pocket 3 on this setup would do. Click it, hit it, have the remote control and just hit it over here on standby and record and have it track me all the time. But you know, it's not going to stop the bounce and the jitters. What do you like best, mechanical or electronic? Well, we dealt with just video. We didn't have any image stabilization at all. And then the gimbal came along. Then we got electronic image stabilization. And now we have, you know, optical and electronic image stabilization in combination. And we got now software image stabilization. We have that in editors that got better and better. So we have a lot to do and give into the softwares to make our video footage so buttery smooth. And I don't know if I even want to watch it. I like to have a little, you know, action in the video. I think I'm going to go into the brush and turn you around. Give it a little bike ride on the trails. Biking. I don't think I went far, but I went far enough where I'm comfortable. I don't want to overexert myself today. I just want to go have a good relaxing bike ride. Oh, we're getting a little sandy now. How to get off the bike because sand is no fun. Oh yeah, so we go this way. We see how far we can go. I gotta go clean my bike now off the sand. I don't love riding in sand. Oh yeah. Well, we can get on out of this trail over here. Woohoo, man, I'm slipping and sliding. I'm a kid on a BMX bicycle again. Woohoo! Each trail differs. They go different ways. Oh, I don't want to go in the mud. Right on the grass. All right, it's not fun riding in the sand because you don't go anywhere. Get back on the grass, go across, and head on out. Well, this is a jump. Woohoo! Yeah, baby. So you get the idea of riding on sand, riding on grass, riding on a street, sidewalks. You name it. Well, here I am. Took a little breather, catch my breath, and off I go. Turn the camera around. Let's get on out of here. I don't want to get hit by the golfer. Shooting golf balls all over the place. Let's go find an exit ramp. Oh man, I got so much footage here to edit, share to the world. I hope you all had a good time watching. Time to get on out of here. I'm going to enjoy the rest of my day. Hands on the handlebar, riding along. There, hands free. It's what we like doing. Now I had a DJI mic 2, which I called DJI M2, to the OA4, and I returned it because it didn't meet my satisfaction. And again, I'm thinking of just the transmitter alone. That's what I want, just the transmitter alone. Little girl down, she fell over. Gotta let them pick themselves up by themselves. That's the only way we learn. I had a day off. I enjoyed it. Tomorrow I get back to work, or maybe I'll get back to work now and get some things done. I'm a very nice person, indeed. I just given somebody a wonderful present. Hard-earned work, man, goes free. Free work. That's what we do. We love giving things for free. I'm supposed to survive. How am I supposed to survive if I got to give free things away? So let me get on out of here and go get some free work done. So now am I supposed to ride my bicycle like this and hold the mouth right next to me? The mic? I didn't say that right. And yeah, so you can hear a lot of talk. Oh yeah, look, he's vlogging with the microphone. That's what we do in 2024. Did you hear that car go by? Do I have noise canceling on? How do you like this sound of this particular mic? You see on my last video. It does pretty good if asked. If I look up at the sky and I see 7 trails of airplanes, and they're all like coming from almost the same spot, man, that's a lot of trails. Unbelievable. Wish I could turn the camera up to the sky to show you. Now, how's this shot for you? You got the sky nice and blue, really powerful and bright. The sun's in front of me, facing this way. I think it's pretty good. Nice and quiet indeed. I want to talk about Magix 2023. I don't know if I want to wait for Magix 2025, but Magix 2024 is out. Got a couple extra things in there that I don't know if I'm going to be using or not. When I tried to do my video editing and add end titles, I had a problem. I just couldn't get it to work 100%. Program did fine, but it hesitated. So I said, you know what, let me render my video, put it into Cyberlink Power Director 22. It did a good job. But as it went along, I had a problem. It lagged. And it lagged a lot. I could sit there and just watch my typing go by. I finally get it all done, and I'm off I go. So I am thinking more and more that I like Magix over anything else, but it's very basic indeed. Oh yeah, I use CapCut, and I'm trying to get more and more to use CapCut, but I always lead back to my main program, Magix. That's how I am. If I find something I like using, I stick with it, and that's what I use. I use Magix, I use Power Director, and I do CapCut for certain scenes. Well, you know, it's so freezing outside, I did my t-shirt commercial with CapCut. I also did it with Magix. And I also did it with You Got It, Power Director. It may take just a little longer, but I got the job done. I am going to go out in the cold weather and do some t-shirts in the local area so I can do my modeling and get that review done for the world. Number of bikes? Yeah. Well, you know who I am. I'm Fish, and I said a lot, talked a lot, did a lot, shared a lot. Oh, I got to get out of here. Well, I got a bus on the avenue. I'm not even sure what the bus is here for. It's going to pick me up, take me home? I don't think so. So let me get on out, finish up what I got to do, take care of business, get a cup of joe, and start my day off. The bus is going somewhere. There you go. Let's get on out of here.